As authorities continue to investigate what may have caused an Amtrak to derail roughly a week ago along the High Line, 7 lawsuits are now filed against Amtrak and Burlington Northern Santa Fe. However, a Billings attorney says while these victims have a case, there's still much we don't know. And as Q2's Andrea Lutz reports, he says victims should proceed with caution before lawyering up.
Oh my God, it's on its side.
The scenes from this Amtrak crash are still harrowing to watch.
Oh, the train's destroyed down there.
Victims describing the terror as train cars toppled over mid-afternoon on a track heavily traveled on Montana's High Line.
I heard a loud bang, and then the cars tipped.
3 dead, dozens injured, and an ongoing investigation into how it all happened. But just one day after this crash, already a lawsuit filed.
I think it was the morning after this incident, I already saw a New York firm putting in advertising into Montana, soliciting these cases.
Like us all, Billings lawyer John Heenan watched the aftermath of the derailment unfold through photos and videos.
The thing that we all saw as Montanans is how people in the community, were quick to respond, quick to help.
So he's urging victims from the crash to use caution.
I'm concerned that the quickness that some of these lawsuits are being brought isn't necessarily to, advocate for the client that you have. It's to try and, solicit the clients you don't have.
Now, more than a week after that deadly derailment, 6 more suits filed. The complaints alleged tracks and equipment needed maintenance upgrades. Heenan says in cases like this, Montanans already have the law on their side.
We have the right to ask the insurance company or the wrongdoer to say, you need to pay my bills right away while this gets worked out. And that's something that a lawyer can certainly help with, short of rushing down to the courthouse to file a lawsuit.
He says no doubt victims have a case.
When you buy a ticket to ride on a train, one of the things that you're buying is a guarantee that you're going to have a safe passage. These people didn't get what they bought, right? They didn't get a safe train ride.
141 passengers on this train, 10 cars derailed. And so many questions still unanswered. In Billings, Andrea Lutz, MTN News.